Ja. Ist los.
Well, first delivery has arrived and an unexpected power cut at the same time, which has lasted about an hour so far. But we've got a load of stuff and just some torches to get it down in the cellar. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm adjusting the shelves as well, that we can get a few bigger things down below. And all this stuff is basically grains, wheat and spelt and rye flour and peas and beans and all that kind of good dry food for cake and bread production, and of course savoury meals too. So. Gotta get this stuff in. Alright, just marking out on the ceiling where the possible light pins will go. It's a spider light, so they go to a pin and then they hang. And 4 of them, so I've got way too many markings on the ceiling, I just noticed. Basically I think Pep added 2 just before. I didn't say anything. So the larder is looking full. There's stuff in here. There's stuff in here. Still got a few deliveries to come. Drinks mostly. But okay, yeah, it's fridge is running. A few things in here. So the floor has been cleaned, everything's been cleaned out, and Elisa has just added, it's kind of like a varnish, well, it's something for stone, so it should bring the colours out and eventually make it a little bit easier to clean as well. That's got to dry, and then we'll see how it looks. Right now, it's looking good.
very nice. And then the focaccia comes in, but I have nowhere to put everything.
Yeah, well, once they're cooled, we'll show you guys how it looks inside. As our tests continue in the kitchen.
Spacey, I've been lost inside a daydream. There's hope so.
Smells good. Not perfect, but okay. Still working.
Yeah. Wow. Good.
Yeah, some really nice bread. Really nice. All right then. All right then.
Quite a bit.
Vad så lyckas du med då?
Wait. You like it? Delicious. Well, I know it's been a minute since I've taken you into the garden, but it was probably about time that I showed you how it's growing and looking. Got my trug, got some pumpkins growing well, starting to get some blackberries. Grass is growing high again. Everything else looks pretty good. We've got some apples, even though we took most of them off. Pear tree. Plums looking good. Got the old pallet bench together the other day with Flora. Their pallet bench. And in the greenhouse things are growing. We have tomatoes hitting the roof now, so shortly we will be lowering them once we've started to harvest the lower tomatoes, and there are some. Ooh, yeah. Many different types, although I have to say not as many as I'd hoped for. On the other end there are bigger ones, Melanzani, well, we've got a couple coming. Plants look a bit leafy and not so much fruity. Shame. Well, we got some paprika, some peppers coming, not bad, non-spicy types. Yeah, and down here the tomatoes are coming. Some ones reddening there, I could probably take them off soon. Yeah, not too bad for the first season's growth. Chicken. How's looking? There we've got the zucchinis. Oh yeah, they're not too bad. Although I think I'll leave those ones for a bit. Tomorrow maybe. This is a bit big. Oh my goodness. This one we did not check in time. The rest of them maybe 2 days to get a couple more. The kind of size I'd like to get. Yeah, okay. Not too much, not too bad. Let me cut that one off. See what I mean? It's got a bit oversized. Still usable, but you don't want them to get too much bigger than that.